How to recover Zangi account. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to still recover your Zangi account. Now, if you pull up Zangi application, you will not be able to see the option of account recovery. What you want to have to do is to use any web browser available on your device, but I'm going to be using Google Chrome. In here, what you want to type in on the search box is just Zangi support. You will have a lot of options here, but what you want to have to choose is the first one that says contact, and then you will be redirected into the page to get in touch with their support. Just simply input your name, the email address that you use on your Zangi account, and then please let them know that your account was maybe hacked or you no longer have access in it. You just have to be specific under the message tab and then choose on direct email. Complete the small captcha here and tap on send. The next thing that you want to do is to wait for their customer service to get back to you with the resolution provided. And that is how you recover your Zangi account.